Hey everyone, this is Heather and this is the second video in our mini series on how to use Scany to find really good swing setups. In the first video we used the golden cross signal to find two really good setups, both going upwards for QQQ and ATVI. Let's use something else. So I'm not a huge fan of divergence scanning, but we still have two signals for divergences. So if you are, just you can just hover over these to understand what these do, and then just go look at the chart to trade the divergence. I personally don't trade them, so I won't create a video on those. Let's see, strong uptrend and downtrend, those don't really provide us any value. Near yearly high is usually good, so let's see. Again, this is May 2nd, but we are looking at data from April 1st because we wanted to go back in time to show you how, if you had looked at these signals 1 month before, what would have happened in the last 30 days. So we have near yearly high. So what were some of the stocks that were near their yearly highs? We want to find these because these are always, most of the time, they're always in a very good uptrend because they are near their yearly highs, so they need to be going up. That's a good thing. If you're a bull, if you're a bear, then this is not a signal for you. And then since they are near the yearly high, we might have a support or resistance level at the chart that we can use to enter. And then let's say if we are lucky, we break the last resistance on the highest price, then we might have a breakout and we can enter there. So let's actually look at some of the charts. Let's look at ABBV. I do not know what happened with this, but let's look at it. So April 1, this was April 1. This was April 1. And you can see that this was the yearly high and we were right on the yearly high. So obviously you can see that there is nothing here. There is actually a resistance level here, right? Let me show you why this is the resistance level. This, and we are finally here. So there is no entry right now. But if you just look down, you'll see that there is a beautiful support level here. And we are here. So what you can do here is you can either wait until we hit this price level, which we never did, or you can wait until we cross above this resistance level. But please know that we have another resistance level right here. So there is not a lot of distance between this level and this level, which means that the reward here might not be that high. So this is something that we'll probably skip. So let's skip it because there is just not a good setup. There was a good setup if the price touched this level and then went back. It never did. So again, nothing here. If so this is just one way of looking at price action. Obviously, if you think there was a good setup somewhere around here based on your technical analysis and your price action analysis, then please feel free to go in, but this is just one man's opinion. Let's see if we have something. There are just too many. So 547 were near their yearly highs. So let's see, let's quickly go some things. Not finding anything interesting here. Doc, I think no. Dell. Okay, so this is an airline, so I think we can look at this. This is near its yearly high, so this is from previous year. We are trying to look for our current yearly high. So let's see. April. This is April 1st. Okay, good. So this, we are near yearly highs, and you can see that we have a resistance here and a support level here. So I said this is not for bears. This is if you have a resistance level that you don't cross. So I'll just correct that. So we can see that we went above. This was April when we were near yearly highs. We went up. Now again, there is no entry here. So when we are going up, we need to wait for a breakout, or we need to wait for the price to fall on some support level before we can enter. Or if we want to short, or if we want to buy puts, then we need to wait for a price to hit resistance level and then start coming back, which we did here. We can see that this was a resistance level based on this price action, and then we hit it, and then the next day we came down. So at the end of this day would probably be where you're going to buy puts, because you know that this is going to come down, which it did right on the support level. And if you want to buy, then this is going to be the buy point. So again, just trying to look at those signals and then just trying to look at the charts to see what's out there. If anything catches our eye, then we are going to go in. So that's it for this signal. I think again it was a short video. In the next video we are going to use some other signals. So thank you. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.